Now we're on trial number 4. So we're going to do the mass of the can before we add the water. The mass of our can, 9.233 grams. 9.233 grams. Now let's add our water. We're adding about 100 mils of water each time. And the whole purpose of using the funnel is so that we don't really have water dribbling down the sides of the can. It's all nice, clean, and inside. So our mass of our can with water, 109.199 grams. 109.199 grams. Now let's mass our cheese curl. So here is a cheese curl on our little stick. We're going to wait till our balance is 0. Let's get our before weight. Our before is 36.499 grams. 36.499 grams. Remember, do not round. Resist the urge to round that. Okay, so let's set it up and let's burn it. We are ready to go for our final round. So we have our last can. We're about 2 fingers length away, so we're good. And our temperature in the water currently is still holding steady at 23 degrees Celsius for room temperature. 23 degrees Celsius. That's the initial temperature of the water. So let's light this and see what happens. Have we caught yet? Come on. There we go. I'm going to just lower our can just to try to get it more in the flame. And you can again see the pile of oil dripping out of the cheese curl. And that amount of oil is honestly just in one cheese curl that someone would consume. So, just to kind of give you an eye-opening little experience of what's in your food. Okay, so we're finally burnt. The highest temperature we've achieved in right here, we are actually way above where we were before. So we've skyrocketed past 23. We're all the way up here in the 40s. And our total temperature here is 42 degrees Celsius. So we climbed all the way to 42 degrees Celsius. Our can is full of carbon black soot. And if we look at our sample, here it is. So that's the Cheeto after it's been burned, or I should say cheese curl. And look at the mass of oil. And that is just in one. Kind of pretty eye-opening when you think about it. So let's get the mass of it. Let's see what's left. Remember, our highest temperature we got was 42 degrees Celsius. And our final mass on the scale, 35, oh, oops, can't see it, sorry, 35.294 grams. 35.294 grams. And a lot of that is just oil. Because that's a little leftover carcass there. Okay, so that's it. We're not going to burn anything else, but what we're going to do now is go through the calculations.